Why's it gotta be so complicated? Maybe this love thing's overrated. My feet in the sand, my face in my hands. I know it's my fault cause I never make plans. And now you're telling me you love me, but she don't even.
Good morning, guys. You guys already know what time it is. Once to see me at the train station, we are going to Lagos. That is the late husband. Do you wanna say hi? Do you wanna say hi? Why does he have an attitude today? Are you pregnant? Are you menstruating? Anyways, we'll see you in Lagos, guys. People of the Most High, tell me why my nail is broken. Like what? I was just in the bathroom the other day having a bath and I mistakenly hit my hand on the window, like this finger on the window. Next thing I know, the nail broke and it was so painful. I didn't even know that, you know, when the nails break it's actually that painful, but it was really painful. And now I'm moving around. I'm one of those people that move around with one broken nails. So unsexy, and it's spoiling my vibe. Like, look, now I can't be doing like this again because then you guys are seeing an empty nail when I do like this. Go rhyme now or wrong now. Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? I haven't been the most consistent this week with my exercise, guys. Today is Friday and this is the first time I'm going to the gym. It's so embarrassing, but it is what it is. I don't know, I've not been feeling like that, you know. I haven't been really motivated to do anything. Like, I haven't even put out any video because I've just not been motivated. I don't know if you guys understand what I mean, but I was just like, when you call, pick yourself up, you know. Time waits for no man, and I'm there wasting my time feeling motivated when people are achieving things. Do you know what I mean? So I just decided to go to the gym, and right now I'm at the gym and hopefully I can put in something substantial enough. If I can burn 2,000 calories between today and tomorrow, that would be great, but let's see. You guys, so after spending almost 2 hours in the gym, I was only able to burn 770 calories, like fam, and I'm exhausted. I haven't gone there in a while, so I was so lazy and I was burning calories much slower than I normally would, so it just made everything like, anyways, better than nothing, right? So guys, I'm at the post office. I came to pick up a few of my stuff. I ordered some stuff and they would usually deliver them to the post office, so that's why I'm here to pick them up. So hopefully I can get all my things and I will not be hearing stories, because ever since this COVID thing started, the post office has become much slower. Like, normally before the COVID thing it would take like 3 weeks for you to get your stuff, but now it takes like 6 weeks to even 8 weeks. Is ridiculous, honestly. As if everything even comes, do you understand? Because sometimes the packages get lost. So guys, I've been able to collect a few of my packages and right now I am headed straight to the market. The reason why I'm going everywhere in my gym clothes, even though I've not had my bath or anything, is because I don't want to be lazy. I just want to do everything that involves coming outside at once, so that when I get into the house I know that I just have indoor chores left. I don't want to have to go back and forth. Do you know what I mean? So I'm headed to the market now because I do my weekly shopping on Fridays and today is Friday, so I'm just gonna go and buy stuff that we would eat for the week. I go to the market almost every week, to be honest. So yeah, that's what's up.
Taste, let me take a bite. I can feel the spice. Jalapeno, jalapeno, tip of my tongue. Yeah, it's what I like. I wanna spend all night. Jalapeno, jalapeno.
4 hours later.
Hi guys, so I'm back again and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you guys what I got at the post office. Well, I shouldn't call it unboxing because I already unboxed it and I know what's inside the packages already, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got. Right, I'm just coming back from the gym, so I'm still wearing like my gym wear. Sorry, this is like my body oil. I don't know what I was doing and it poured on my shirt. Yeah, so let's just get right into the unboxing. Alright guys, so these are all the things that I got. This right here, this and this bad boy right here are straps for my watch. I don't know if you guys watched my latest video talking about my Samsung, this watch right here. The straps are actually removable, so I got extra straps just so that I can switch up the straps according to my mood. And I also got these gorgeous earrings. I really like them. They have like this stone detailing in the middle. I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're just regular hoops, but I really like them. And I got some extra earrings as well. I don't really wear expensive jewelry just because I'm not very careful with my jewelry in general, so I just buy cheap jewelry and I buy them multiple times because I know that I'm going to misplace it. That's why I bought a bunch like this at once. So yeah, that is all I went to get at the post office yesterday. So I changed the strap of my watch to the new one that I got. What do you guys think? I think it looks so cute. Like, who said smartwatches have to be boring? Who said smartwatches have to be boring? Look at that. It's so beautiful.
Tomorrow for sure.
Good morning guys. So today we are on the floor and I'm loosening my hair. I've already started loosening it, and guys, it has been a while that I loosened braids myself, and I'm just gonna say this: it is not easy to take off braids by yourself. What is actually quite a bit of work, and I'm not even joking. Anyways, I have some stuff here that I just wanted to unbox for you guys. First of which is this package from Mega Growth. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they just recently came out with their anti-dandruff line, and then they sent me this package, and I really like how it came in. It comes with this introduction to the anti-dandruff line, so that you can just have like some information about what each product is about. And then it also comes with a very cute note, still from Mega Growth, and then it just says, "Hi beautiful, we know you bring the energy wherever you go, and we couldn't help but shoot our shot with you. We have decided to shower you with some mega love from our new anti-dandruff range to keep your beautiful hair dandruff free." It's a good thing that they sent this right now because I'm taking off my braids, so I feel like this will really come in handy for my hair, you know, as I'm not about to be carrying dandruff everywhere. So thank you to Mega Growth for sending this. Okay guys, so great news, I have a 10% discount code that you can use to shop on their website, and you can get 10% off once you shop on Mega Growth website for anything really. You get 10% off as long as you use that discount code. All right, great. So that is the first thing that I wanted to unbox. Now that that is out of the way, let me just show you guys the products. It comes with anti-dandruff spray, so this is the first thing, the anti-dandruff spray. It also comes with anti-dandruff shampoo, and last but not the least, we have their anti-dandruff treatment hair cream. Yeah, hair cream. Anti-dandruff treatment shampoo. This is a dandruff-free therapy. So I really like this. And I'm pretty impressed with everything. So thank you so much to Mega Growth for this. I can't wait to use it and give you guys an honest review. But it's Mega Growth, guys. It's Mega Growth. Like, could it really not be worth it? Think about it. I'm sure it's really good since it's Mega Growth. Moving on. You guys remember Thrift Room NG? I told you guys about them the other time when I was shopping for gym wear. I have been obsessed with their page. You guys, I get all my gym wear from them because you guys know that activewear is kind of expensive and no one has 20k to be spending on one activewear. Do you know what I mean? So Thrift Room NG has been my plug ever since I found them on Instagram. Now I bought 2 different sets of gym wear from them, and they sent me a gift just to say say thank you, because you know the thing about me here is that when I'm impressed with something, I literally go on and on just yapping about it. And I've been really impressed with Thrift Room NG, so I've been yapping about them a lot, and they really appreciated me just talking about them, so they sent me a thank you gift. So yeah, let me just show you guys what I got. Okay guys, so this is the first one. It is just a long sleeve outfit for gymming. This is really good for when the weather is like cold or whatnot. And then it comes with these leggings that have this really cute detailing in the bottom. I already tried it out, so I don't feel like trying it out again, because to be honest, it will take me out of this my losing hair zone, and I'm not trying to go out of that zone, right? So the next thing that I bought was this one. Then it has this cute like zip thing at the back. I don't know what the zip thing is for. Maybe you can put your phone in it or something, because it actually does have like a pouch, so you can put a phone or something in here. But is it like safe to put things in the back like that? I'm not sure. That's a topic for another day. But this is what the top looks like. It's really cute. I like it. It comes with these leggings, and it has this detailing on the side too. So it's really cool. It's really nice. Best part about this is that they are really affordable. It just cost me 3,008 for a set. That's up and down like this, 3,008. And then she sent a gift, and she actually tagged it gift. I was genuinely surprised when I got it, because I was not expecting anything from her, to be honest. I was just, you know, shopping because I like it. And then when I got the package and I saw a gift, I'm like, oh, stop. Anyway, she sent a gift. This is the gift. This is the shorts of the gift. It has this normal like active wear stripes on the side, and then this is the top that she sent to go with that. So now I have 3 new, well, not new, but at least it's new to me, 3 semi-new active wear that I'm going to be wearing. Okay, so now the third thing that I wanted to be unboxing, guys, is some handbags that my husband bought for me. I literally just got them, like the delivery guy. I don't know if you guys heard bike moving just now. That's literally the delivery guy going. This is the first bag that my husband got me. I really like it, and the girl was pretty like prompt with her delivering, because he ordered this yesterday, I believe, and she actually made attempts to deliver it yesterday. But you know, I'm in Ibadan, and in Ibadan things don't really work on Sundays, so it was a bit of a challenge for her to deliver it yesterday. But she definitely sent me a text message that she was going to deliver it today, and she was spot on with the time that the delivery guy was going to come. I'm just going to snip off all the tie-tie that was used to secure the bag. These bags were actually a surprise from my husband. First thing, let me even just say this, they were actually a surprise from my husband, because I don't actually have a lot of bags. In fact, I don't have any bags. I used to have quite a bit of bags before, but for whatever reason I don't have them anymore, and he noticed, and so he just decided to go online on Instagram and buy me a couple of bags. So I'm really grateful for that. Oh, it comes with a nice scarf for detailing. I think that's cute. Oh, you guys, this is such a beautiful bag, and look at the strap. So like you can either hold it like this or hold it like with the long strap. It's really giving me rich vibes, like rich auntie vibes. Hello, don't handle my purse like that. It's expensive. This is the vibe that this particular bag is giving me. Rich auntie vibes. I love it. I absolutely love it. Ooh, second bag is this one. Ooh. You guys, this is what the inside of the bag looks like. It's really pretty, and it comes with the strap again, so you can hold this as either a like shoulder bag, or you can just hold it in your hands. This is the bag. It's so sturdy and beautiful. I love structured bags, you guys. I really love structured bags. So the fact that he got me 2 structured bags, I'm like psh, mind blown. I really love them. Last but not least, guys, is this one. Again, this one has 2 compartments, the strap, and I love the color. I absolutely love the color. In fact, I don't know which one I prefer out of all of them, because they're just all so pretty. all so pretty. I love them all. I'm so excited, you guys. So that's all I wanted to show you. I'm still expecting PR from one skincare brand. They reached out to me on Instagram last week that they wanted to send me a package. It's a skincare brand based in Ibadan. Because I noticed that ever since I started working out, I have been getting darker. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but then I'm not sure if it's because I usually walk to the gym and back. That's what I'm not sure about. I'm not sure if it's because of that, but you know, I don't like it. So I wanted to start taking my skincare very seriously with like sunscreen and all. Since I want to be walking more frequently, I'll obviously be needing sunscreen for protection because the sun is not smiling these days, you know. So when they reached out to me, I was like, great, nice, maybe the Lord is answering my prayers. Hopefully they actually know their onions so that my skin can go back to being yummy and supple skin that I used to have. That is basically all I wanted to tell you guys about this unboxing. So I'll see you guys when I am done with this mess on my hair. Bye.